What's up everyone? Welcome to RAV Vlogs. Honda CB Highness and CB 350 RS both are wonderful bikes having their own features and characteristics. I've done a detailed review on both these bikes and ownership review of CB Highness as well. I'll put those links in the description. Please do watch. In this video, I'm going to talk about all the 16 features which differentiate CB 350 RS from CB Highness. So let's get into the video. The first difference is the headlight design of CB 350 RS. The headlight cover of CB 350 RS is a black and silver unit, unlike the chrome cover what we see in Highness. But the LED unit is same on both these motorcycles. CB 350 RS loses the chrome plated metal front fender and it's replaced by a matte black plastic unit, and this looks very much sportier and lighter as well, but it is not giving a classic look in other way. The handlebar height has been reduced by 2 mm in CB 350 RS when compared to Honda Highness, and this gives a sporty look and sporty riding posture. The foot pegs are set a little towards the rear and slightly higher. These, combined with the lower handlebar, give the bike a slightly aggressive seating posture. CB 350 RS offers a toe-only gear shifter instead of heel and toe gear shifter what we see in Honda Highness. The taillight of CB 350 RS looks more sportier than the one on the Highness. This enhances the sportier look of the bike. The center panel of the Highness has a shield style badge. The CB 350 RS has a much simpler badge, sporting the motorcycle name in simple block letters. CB 350 RS is only available in two paint options: the radiant metallic red color and the black with pearl sports yellow. These colors options are not offered on Highness. Honda only offers the CB 350 RS in a single variant, and the variant comes fitted with a single horn only. In CB Highness, we can opt for either the Deluxe or the Deluxe Pro version. Deluxe Pro variant come with dual horns. The tires of Honda CB 350 RS gets block pattern tread. These dual purpose tires are suitable for light off-roading, and it is one of the key difference what you can see in Highness and CB 350 RS. The rear wheel of CB 350 RS is smaller. It is a 17-inch unit compared to the 18-inch wheel of Honda Highness. The tire profile is now 150 by 70 instead of 130 by 70 in Honda Highness. Both bikes get a 19-inch front wheel, which is same in both the bikes. The rear fender of RS model is much smaller than the one on the Highness, and it's made of plastic instead of metal, which is lighter, and on the other side it has taken away the classic look. The sari guard in CB 350 RS is replaced by a plastic one without foot peg, when compared with CB Highness. CB Highness is having a metal one. The RS model gets a new tuck and roll single piece seat. It also gets twin grab rails which are positioned under the seat attached to the rear fender. Bluetooth connectivity is not available in CB350 RS, while the semi-digital instrument cluster is the same on both these bikes. The CB350 RS misses out on this HSVC, which is Honda Smartphone Voice Control System, and the Bluetooth enabled navigation feature, which are available on the Deluxe Pro variant of Highness. But as I said earlier, CB350 RS comes only in one variant and in two color options. The last point is in the pricing part. CB350 RS cost 10,000 rupees more than CB Highness. These are the 16 major differences what you will find in CB350 RS and Honda Highness. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching.